Christmas everybody, and welcome to Morzak EV, a channel dedicated to all things electric vehicles, electric vehicle charging and all related technologies. So for today's video, I wanted to just give a big thank you to everybody who's watched us on the channel so far this year, subscribed and liked any videos, left any comments. It's all really appreciated, and we're completely blown away by how many people have subscribed to the channel and have been watching videos already. When we started the channel in September, we wanted to get around 100 viewers by the end of the year, so thank you very much. So despite everything that's gone on, 2020 has been our most successful year yet. So we're really pleased with everything, and the YouTube channel has blown all our expectations away. So thank you very much for watching. We've got some great content coming up over the next few months for all the YouTubers, and we want 2021 to be even better. So for those of you who don't know, the Omi EV wall charger is one of our most popular selling products. It's quite small, quite neat, quite competitively priced, and it works with your electricity tariff to charge a vehicle as cheaply and as greenly as possible. Now we are going to do a separate video at some point soon which details an Omi EV wall charger installation, talks about some of the benefits of the Omi wall charger, and then goes through the app and explains how it works in some detail. And these are OLEV grant eligible in the UK. Make sure you like that video, subscribe and hit the bell icon for notifications of all our charge point videos and Tesla videos. I don't want to come across as a dodgy car salesman, but...
And I am passing the savings on to you!
Look what we found under the Christmas tree. Omi have given us a bulk buy discount as long as we're placing the orders before Christmas. So, as a thank you to everybody, if you want a charge point installing, or you know someone that wants a charge point installing, quote this video, and as long as you're within a 50-mile radius, we'll knock £50 off the installation of an Omi wall charger. So we've got some great content coming up in the next few months, including me collecting my van. This was supposed to be a van video this week. There has been a little delay because of things going on. It's understandable, but I'm still looking forward to picking it up, and there's a few things around that. We've got some commercial installations that we've started filming and started installations for, so you show you those. And we've got a bunch of other videos planned, including a detailed video on the Omi, showing you exactly how it works, how it goes in, and how the software works. So Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year from everybody at Morzak, and Merry Christmas from the Tesla.